How to turn on or turn off business partners on Twitter app. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do to turn on or turn off the business partners option on Twitter is by going to the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and go down and go to settings and privacy. Now all what you have to do is click on privacy and safety right here. It's the fourth one, and then go down until you find the data sharing with business partners. Click on this option, and now as you can see here you can allow additional information sharing with business partners, and you can turn it off from here if you want or turn it on. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.